What's up, my people? How una dey? So now which of una miss me? Okay, so I don't carry another better update carry come. This one no be new update, sha, but I just found out one or two things and I feel like okay, make I come here, make we talk about today. See, don't tell I no even post video for this particular page because of one or two issues. And when I get based on one thing like that. So if you don't miss me, make sure you like this video, share this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you go to collect better update from my hand. Because the thing that they do be say whenever I use any update and the update can they work out for me or the update get us in there, I will just come here go and talk about them. So this one I won't come review this particular platform here within they call social earning. Social earning na one kind update where I started to use them for like 2 years ago. I'll be 1 year plus now. Where then talk say if they do small work for their platform, maybe they collect small thing. Now waiting then talk be that. And personally for me I've been going to say make I try them. I can't try the stuff. I mean they think they give me small thing and they use the whole myself. But they become they get small issues because people can't they complain when we're based on one or two, you understand? So I can't decide to pause. You can't tell I no can't use them again. So recently I can't put my phone. I can't say these guys they don't change so many things for their platform. I will make we can't talk about that today. Make we see some of the things where they change and I go share my opinion. You say you get your own opinion, you understand? Waiting I like, no be waiting you like, you understand? And make you no forget say this one no be financial advice. Me I no be financial advisor. Now just my opinion I can't here to come share. So I go like make we talk about some of the things where they don't change for this particular platform. Then I go share their pros and cons. I go rate them from 1 to 10. 10 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. So I go give them my own personal ratings. As I tell you now before, I don't use social earning for some time now, for over 1 year, be almost 2 years or even more than 2 years now. And personally for me, I don't use and they call it small thing. You understand? Because now waiting and talk be that. So then say if they do small things where then they call micro jobs like all these PTC. PTC means a paid to click, you understand? All these paid to click jobs, GPT jobs, you understand? Get paid to if they do tax, all those kinds small things. Then say now you go to do here, now you go to collect. Another thing with social earning, get now they been get affiliate program where they say if they use and they collect. So first of all, you go see say they don't change their interface. And their interface be the first thing where they change for this particular platform. So if you be one of those people who been they use this update before, you go notice say they don't change their interface. Can't like this their new interface. So just tell me what you think for comment section. It say this their new interface makes sense. So I can't like I'm sharp. So you go see say they say what do we do at social earning here? You go see the waiting and say that they do. And if I scroll down, you go see why choose social earning, transparent statistics, okay, 247 customer support. I never tried that one before. And get 2 accounts according to waiting these people then get here. The first account at their earner account will be say if you won't work for the platform, they do small tax, they collect small thing, then get earner account. And the second one, the advertiser accounts will be say if you want run advert, you want run ads, and the second account where they get be that frequently asked questions and all these ones now questions where people they ask where if you just come here check out all this stuff. So waiting be the other things where they don't change from this particular update here. And remember say this will not be tutorial be this. If you want tutorial, if you check out my cirrden account, if you do tutorial there drop this one I just review, check my cirrden account cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. If you see the tutorial there, you understand. If you see other updates the way they are available there too. So make I first of all make I check their tax, then I go tell you now how much waiting they pay for their tax now, whether it makes sense or be still makes sense. Based on what me at the see here, so they don't change how much they pay for tax, so they don't change. Let's say before social earning, they pay the least for their tax, but based on what they see here, they don't change, they don't increase them small. Not be saying too much, but they don't increase and so more. Okay, so what be the pros and the cons of this particular platform? Now, number 1 pro be say it easy to understand. Number 2 pro be say to earn they easy. Number 3 be say to withdraw, so they very fast. Once you place withdraw in the space of 2 minutes, you go receive your earnings. Another thing be say their tax here not too big, now just small tax way. If you come complete, they collect small thing. So waiting be some of the cons way I know to con like about the platform. Number 1 be say the platform not be totally free. They say before you want start, see you go fit start with like 1k, you understand? Maybe they don't even increase our now, but now 1k with me have been used at that time. Another thing can be saying they pay too much for their tax, just like waiting I don't talk about before. Another thing can be their approval time. This approval time now, how long it take them for them to approve each of the tasks where you don't complete for this particular platform. So now some of the things be that way I no can like about the platform, but apart from that, the platform it makes sense sha, but that is just my own opinion. So wetin be your own opinion for comment section? If I wan rate this platform from 1 to 10, I fit give them 5/10 because I don't come on like 400k for the update, and since I don't start to the use am, you understand. So I fit give them 5/10 based on my own ratings, you understand. So tell me wetin you go rate them in the comment section from 1 to 10. Just tell me your own ratings in the comment section. They don't change their interface, they don't increase their earnings small, you know, plenty, but now only small, and some other things where they don't fix about the platform. If you contact their customer service very fast and all those ones, just say social earning as something where you go like try in this particular 2025 or 2026. Just share your opinion for comment section. I go see you now for my next video, and bye for now.